Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cannoli easy. First, gather your ingredients for the dough, including 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of sweet Marsala wine. Mix these together until a smooth dough forms. Roll the dough out very thin, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. Use a 3-inch round cutter or an oval shape to cut out your cannoli pieces. This ensures consistent shell sizes. Once your dough shapes are ready, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Wrap each dough piece around a cannoli tube, sealing the edge with a little egg white. Fry them for about 1 minute or until they are a beautiful golden brown. Carefully remove them and let them cool on paper towels. While they cool, prepare your filling by mixing 2 cups of ricotta cheese with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and a dash of vanilla extract. Now for the fun part, assembly. Once your cannoli shells are completely cool, gently remove them from the metal tubes. Transfer your creamy ricotta filling into a piping bag. Carefully pipe the filling into each end of the cannoli shell until it's full. For a delightful touch, dip the ends into mini chocolate chips, chopped pistachios, or candied fruit. A final dusting of powdered sugar adds that perfect, traditional cannoli look. To ensure your cannoli remain crisp and delicious, always fill them right before you plan to serve them. Unfilled shells can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for several days, maintaining their perfect crunch. The ricotta filling should be refrigerated and used within 2 days. For more great tips, and to find the link for the Owala water bottle mentioned, plus other fantastic deals, be sure to check out the description below this video. Enjoy your homemade cannoli.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.